Hey everyone, I'm Mike from theparkprodigy.com, and on today's video we are going to rank all of the Universal Orlando resort pools. And we know this is one of the hardest parts of picking that hotel, as so many guests struggle to choose the right Universal Orlando hotel for your family's pool needs. There are so many different choices, and we do have 3 new hotels coming to Universal Orlando, but we personally have not stayed at those yet, so we are going to count down the top 8 Universal Orlando hotels that we have personally stayed at to help you pick the perfect pool for those lazy days back at the hotel, or even those afternoon breaks. And as a bonus, just stick around till the end of this video as I will estimate what I project to be the top 3 of the new Epic Universe hotels which are opening up. So whether you're looking for thrilling water slides, relaxing lazy rivers, or pools with special features like underwater music, Universal Orlando has something for everyone. And by the end of this video, you should know exactly which pool matches your family's vacation style. As always, I'm very excited, so let's go get started. Thank you again so much for checking out this video. Like I said, we are about to break down and rank the top 8 Universal Orlando pools. All right, but we're going to jump right in and start this countdown. And we're going to start with number 8 and 7. And that's because we are going to start and kick off the countdown with 2 hotels that will not break the bank in Endless Summer Surfside and Endless Summer Dockside Resort. Now, between these 2 hotels, they offer 3 simple pools which are split between the 2. But you might be wondering, do these budget-friendly hotels mean sacrificing all of the fun? And no, not at all. These pools might not have all the added amenities of some of the other pools on the list, but they're perfect for families who just really want a nice pool to relax at. And did you know that Dockside Inn has a really cool splash area for the kids, which can be great for families with younger children who are trying to also travel on a budget? And I know what you're thinking. You might be thinking, what about water slides, lazy rivers? Well, hold on to that thought, because we might have some pools coming up which will keep you covered. But in the end, Endless Summer Resort proves that you don't need to spend a fortune for a great pool at Universal Orlando. And that's going to be the same case as we move over to number 6 on the list, and we do have Aventura Resort. So have you ever dreamed of swimming with a view of Volcano Bay? Well, at Aventura Resort, you do have that choice. Their pool is all about modern style luxury with incredible views, but is style enough when it comes to family fun. And though their pool is on the smaller side compared to some of the other resorts, the 4,745 square foot pool here is just enough, with a great amount of relaxation and enjoyment, plenty of lounge chairs surrounded with sparkling blue water, and you'll also find a hot tub and a small splash pad for the kids. And like I said, one of the other things that we really love about this pool, as well as it is just a 5-minute walk over to Volcano Bay and all of those amazing water attractions. But speaking of water attractions, wait until you hear about the next pool on the list. And coming in at number 5, we do have the Loews Royal Pacific Resort Tropical Paradise Pool. So have you ever wanted to feel like you're in the South Pacific while not leaving Florida? That's exactly what you could do at Loews Royal Pacific Resort. Guests can step into a pool in a lagoon-style oasis surrounded by lush palm trees, but with no water slide. Is the excitement enough for the whole family? And we would say yes. A white sand beach, crystal clear water, and the sound of waterfalls is just like stepping into a tropical postcard. And did you know that they have 2 separate hot tubs, a large splash area for the kids, 0 entry walkway, white sand beach, and even a DJ who plays on Saturday and Sunday? This is the perfect resort for those adults visiting Universal Orlando, and of course those families with young kids. Royal Pacific proves that sometimes relaxation and atmosphere can be just as important as slides and attractions. But again, as you could guess, if you are looking for a bit more action, just wait until you see our next pool, and that is number 4 on the list of the best Universal Orlando pools, and we do have Loews Sapphire Falls Resort. Have you ever wondered how big the largest pool at Universal Orlando is? Well, you're about to find out, because coming in at a whopping 16,000 square feet of pure paradise, Sapphire Falls has the largest pool at Universal Orlando. But size isn't everything when it comes to pools, right? What makes this pool so special? So it has a massive lagoon style and cascading waterfall surrounded by lush tropical landscape. But that's not all. There's a water slide, a children's play area, private cabanas, and it's all surrounded by white sand beach. And I know what you're thinking, this sounds perfect for families and also adults, and you're absolutely right. Sapphire Falls does offer the complete package, and it is a very versatile pool experience, and that's why it is so high on the list. But if you're looking for a pool with maybe some additional amenities, that's why we have number 3 on the list, and that is Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort for some retro fun for everyone. Have you ever wished you could combine a water park with a 1950s style resort? Well, that's exactly what we have at Universal's Cabana Bay Beach Resort. This hotel not only has 1, but 2 amazing pool areas with different vibes, which is what I really love. So, and of course, one of the problems is with 2 different pools, which one do you choose to spend your days at? Well, here's what we would suggest. The Cabana Courtyard Pool has a dive tower themed slide and a splash pad area for the kids. However, on the other side, the Lazy River Courtyard has, just as you can imagine, a lazy river. And of course, it is the only lazy river pool at Universal Orlando Resort. And that's of course why we feel that Cabana Bay does offer the most diverse pool experience at Universal Orlando Resort, perfect for families with kids of all ages and of course adults, and hitting those 2 different vibes, more of the laid back with the lazy river or more of the excitement over with the splash area and the amazing water slide. But if you're looking for something a little bit more sophisticated, you're going to love number 2 on our list of the best pools, and we do have the Hard Rock Hotel. Have you ever wondered what it feels like to be a rock star while lounging by the pool? That's exactly what you'll feel like at the Hard Rock Hotel in this massive 12,000 square foot of pure rock and roll paradise. But it's not all about the music, is it? Is there more to this pool than meets the eye? Well, they have an amazing underwater speaker system pumping out tunes while you swim. How cool is that? There's also a 260-foot slide for thrill seekers and a sandy beach for those who prefer those chill vibes. And overall, we feel like the Hard Rock Hotel offers a unique blend of music, thrills, and relaxation that's hard to beat. And if you're wondering what could top this rockstar experience, just wait until you hear about number 1 on our list, the best pool at Universal Orlando Resort. And we actually have Lowe's Portofino Bay Hotel, which has that perfect Italian Riviera elegance. At Lowe's Portofino Bay, you can get a taste of Italy right here in Orlando. And the thing that we love about Portofino Bay is it not only offers 1, not 2, but 3 stunning pools, each with its own unique vibe, and that's why it does take the top of the list. If you've been watching my channel, you know that I used to say that Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort was the best pool at Universal Orlando, but after going and checking out some of the other hotels at Universal, I've changed the list, and I really think that Lowe's Portofino Bay does have the nicest pool. And of course, I love the different variety that we have here. So let's break it down. The beach pool is the star, of course, with a Roman aqueduct slide, a sandy beach, and it does also have a really cool splash area for the kids. Then there's the Villa Pool, which has a more exclusive feel, followed by the Hillside Pool for a quiet escape for those adults visiting Universal Orlando. As you can see, Portofino Bay offers the most diverse and themed pool experiences, catering to families with kids of all ages, and that's exactly why it did make the list at number 1. But like I said earlier in this video, we can't forget about the 3 new amazing hotels coming to Universal Orlando, specifically over in the Epic Universe section. And we do have Universal's Terra Luna Resort, we have Universal's Stella Nova Resort, and we have Universal's Grand Helios Resort. So I am going to say that Stella Nova and Terra Luna are probably going to be somewhere in the middle and a tie. So these hotels are going to have a 10,000 square foot resort style pool featuring relaxing hot tubs, comfortable lounge chairs, and fire pits nearby. From the photos that we've been able to see so far, they do look just a step down from Lowe's Sapphire Falls Resort. So I do think they're going to be 2 really great hotels with 2 really great pools. But of course, the one that interests me the most and the one that I think is going to be really, really high on the list is going to be Universal's Grand Helios Hotel. And that is because we have a 0 entry pool complete with underwater speakers, poolside cabanas, a hot tub, poolside movies, and of course so many other recreational activities. The pool looks really, really cool. It actually looks exactly like, I shouldn't say exactly, the pool looks really, really cool. It does give me very similar vibes to the beach pool over at Lowe's Portofino Bay Resort. So we have high hopes, but that is the list, everyone. That's how we would rank the pools at Universal Orlando Resort. I really, really hope that you found this video helpful. And if you are in the process of planning that Universal Orlando trip, and it seems like you need more videos like this, just be sure to hit that subscribe button, as I have a lot more similar videos coming out in the coming weeks. And as a thank you for sticking around all the way till the end of this video, I do have a special promo code you can go use on our website to save an extra $25 off your next Universal Orlando vacation. And that promo code is going to be YouTube25. But I think that's all the time we have for today. Thank you again so much for checking out this video. And until next time, I will talk to you soon.